Question number 26. In figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Okay, students, it's very simple but very important question, right? And here we need to prove angle AOB. This one is 90 degrees. So firstly, let's assume this is angle 1 and this is angle 2 and this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. Now, let's take these two triangles, this and this one. Okay, let's write over here. In triangle AOP and triangle AOC. OP equal to OC. OP equal to OC and its region radius of same circle, right? Similarly, OA equal to OA. OA equal to OA and its region common side. And lastly, AP, this side is equal to AC, this side. AP equal to AC and its region, tangents drawn from same external point are equal. So here by S or side, we can conclude these two triangles. Triangle AOP congruent triangle AOC. And if these two triangles are congruent, then we can compute angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP/CT. Similarly, by applying same criteria, we can conclude these two triangles, triangle BOC and triangle BOQ are also congruent. So same thing should be written over here. Triangle BOC congruent triangle BOQ. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can write angle 3 equal to angle 4 by CP/CT. CP/CT. Now, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 and their sum will be equal to 180 degree and its region angles on straight line, right? Again, here in place of angle 1 we can write angle 2 because we already have angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus and angle 2 as it is plus angle 3 as it is plus, and here also in place of angle 4 we can write angle 3 because we already have angle 3 is equal to angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Okay, now let's proceed to new page. Okay, here 1 angle 2 plus 1 angle 2, 2 angle 2 plus 1 angle 3 plus 1 angle 3, 2 angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Now from here 2 can be taken as common and here remains angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Again angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree, and this 2 goes to RHS over here, and 2 ones are 2, 2 90s are 180. In this way finally we have obtained angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. And as we know, by combining these two angles, angle 2 and angle 3, it has formed whole angle, angle AOB. So here we can write angle AOB instead of this angle 2 and angle 3, and it is equal to 90 degree. And according to this question, we had to prove these things, and finally we have proved it.